Imagine a place where buildings grow like magic, reaching for the sky. And who are the master builders? Not giants, but tiny, clever helpers, working together with incredible speed. They zip and zoom, a busy team of 7, each with a special job. They're building something truly magnificent, a structure so grand it touches the clouds. Some are busy laying the strong foundations, piece by careful piece. Others are already high up, fitting the shiny, clear windows that let the light pour in. Look closely. A few are adding the bright colors, painting walls with swift, perfect strokes. And see those tiny sparks? That's the team connecting all the important wires, making sure everything hums just right. These little builders never tire. They work in perfect harmony, a tiny orchestra of creation. Every bolt tightened, every wire connected, every window placed brings the grand vision closer. This isn't just a story, it's a peek into what's possible. Imagine your own creations, built with such precision and speed. The future of making is here, and it's more amazing than you ever dreamed.